Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at simplifying using the distributive property. So we use the distributive property when we have two things that are being multiplied. One of them is a monomial, a single-termed thing, and the other one is at least two terms. So that means things that are being added or subtracted. Something like a times b plus c. We multiply a by b, we keep the operation, the addition, and then we multiply a by c. So ab plus ac. So simplify the following using the distributive property. 4 times 3x plus 2y. I multiply 4 by 3x and I get 12x. And then I multiply 4 by 2y to get 8y. So 12x plus 8y. 4x times 2x minus 3x squared. So we have to remember what to do when we have things like x times x. So x times x by definition is x squared. So 4x times 2x is 8x squared. And then 4x times 3x squared would be 12x cubed. If I have x times x times x, that's x cubed. 2/3 times 6xy minus 9x squared plus 4y squared. We have fractions times integers here, so be really careful. 2/3 times 6 is 4, and then we have the xy, minus 2/3 times 9 is 6, so 6x squared, plus 2/3 times 4 is 8/3, so plus 8/3 y squared. D, 4 times 2x minus 1 plus 3 times 3 minus 4x. So we have two distributive cases in this case. So I distribute the 4 and I get 8x minus 4. I distribute the 3 and I get 9 minus 12x. We're not done because we always need to see if we can simplify more. We have two sets of like terms, 8x, negative 12x, negative 4, and 9. So that gives us 5 minus 4x. As another one, we have negative 0.4 times 1.2x minus 9. So this isn't parentheses, but they're still grouping terms, so it doesn't matter if it's parentheses or brackets or braces, they all mean the same thing. So a negative 0.4 times 1.2 is negative 0.48, and then we have the double negative, and then 0.4 times 9 is 3.6. We have plus 3.6, so don't forget about the double negative. F as negative 5, and then the braces, 1/10 x squared minus 12x plus 0.52y. Negative 5 times 1/10 is negative 1/2. Negative 5 times negative 12 is positive 60. And negative 5 times 0.52 is negative 2.6. We've got one more to do. It's a little bit longer, and it looks a little bit more complicated. We've got braces, brackets, and parentheses. So don't forget order of operations. We need to start with the innermost parentheses first. So can I simplify x minus 2x squared? No, I can't. They're not like terms. So I'm going to distribute the negative. And remember, negative something I can always think of as a 1 out front. So I'm multiplying my x and my negative 2x squared by negative 1. So I get negative x and then positive 2x squared when I distribute the negative. Now at this point, you do not want to start distributing the 3. We don't want to do that because we want to see, can we simplify what's inside the parentheses? Don't forget order of operations, right? Can I go and further simplify what's in there? And I can. I have x minus x. So the brackets just becomes 2x squared. So what I'm left with is not a distributive property, it's just multiplication. I don't have addition or subtraction in here anymore. So this is just straight up 3 times 2x squared, which is 6x squared. Again, I have negative 2 times something in braces. Don't just start distributing. Don't forget order of operations. Can I simplify this guy first? Yes, I can. X squared minus 6x squared is negative 5x squared. Again, what I'm left with isn't actually the distributive property at all. It's just multiplication. So I have 10x squared minus 10x squared, and I get 0. So don't forget to simplify what's in your parentheses first. Don't just start distributing things. Simplify first. Okay, so read through the book, try out the homework, and let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.